Welcome to the RMail video short series on the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook settings. The RMail app for Microsoft Outlook allows you to send emails using the RMail Track and Prove, Encrypt, eSign, File Share, and other features. This video, we will review the RMail SideNote setting in the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook. To view the settings, you have two options. From the inbox, press File, then RMail Settings. The second option is from the Feature dialog box, press the Settings button. The SideNote feature allows a sender to add a private note to all of the CC and/or BCC recipients without the to recipient seeing that side note. This is useful when giving the CC and/or BCC recipient some context as to why they were copied or blind copied on the message. The side note may be a follow-up instruction like please follow up on Monday, or other instruction like please do not reply all. When sending an RMail message, if there is an address in the CC and/or BCC field, the side note box will be available. The copied and/or blind copied recipient will see the side note above the RMail banner. Note, the side note feature is available with any of the RMail features. The side note setting in the app is simply to enable or disable the side note feature on the sending feature pop-up. When checked, the side note feature is available on the feature pop-up. When unchecked, side note is disabled. Please note, your administrator has the ability to override the settings in the app. If the setting is not behaving as expected, please contact your administrator. Be sure to watch other RMail videos to learn more. Thank you.